Alright, well, it's Microphone Monday here at Pulsar CB Repair, and these mics belong all to one customer. And finally, I've been able to get to these. I've been putting, he wants them all wired to Cobra 4 pin, so that's what I've been doing here. Changing out some 9-volt connectors, get the mic tester out. And yeah, I got some pretty cool mics here. Yeah, I got this Astatic here with the TU G8 stand. Yeah, I was hoping that battery wasn't in there since 1998, but everything seems to be okay down in there. Just don't like the way this is wired here with this little plastic insulator. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. Put some heat shrink tubing and whatnot around some of those things. Shrink down some of those leads so they're not so out there. Yeah, and I'm gonna go right down the line here. Another pretty cool mic. I actually did one of these not too long ago. Black on the chrome. This one here is actually a Silver Eagle. So yeah, we got to turn our plus 3B. So yeah, some of these are 5-pin. What's this one? Another 5-pin. This one's actually a 4-pin. But yeah, they're all getting wired to Cobra 4 pin, like I had stated. So yeah, I'm gonna change out the little capacitor there, little 4.7, 35 volts. These are pretty easy to service. Not much to them, but yeah, let me. What we can actually do is I still got this President here that just kind of like bench testing, making, you know, I do a quality control. So probably just do maybe we'll do a comparison of all of them, see how they sound. Once I get them all, you know, recapped and fixed and whatnot, and kind of get opinions on what one sounds better. So yeah, let me get to this. I'm going to clean this thing up, definitely. I don't want any of this stuff arcing out on the case or on the base or whatnot. So this little piece of plastic just isn't going to cut it. All right. Yeah, that's it for now. Alright, well, this one here is looking a little bit better. Put some heat shrink tubing around that. This has obviously had some work done to it in the past, some repairs. I put a new capacitor in there. That's the old one right there. And yeah, that's it for this. Relatively easy for this one here. New ends. This one's ready to go. This is the switch here in case you need to switch it from for a relay or, you know, no relay. So right now it's set for no relay. And that's it for this one. So we're gonna get this one closed up and yeah, give it a test. All right, I'm gonna move on to these other ones. All right, next up is this one here. This TUP9 D104, and I recently did one of these for another customer who sent me in his Washington along with one of these. So this one here, I'm going to put a new 9-volt connector on and just take a look at those contacts, kind of like we did with the other one, and swap out any capacitors. So yeah, let me get this on. I just got a new order in, so now I got plenty of them. So yeah, let me get to this. Shouldn't be too difficult to do. Alright, another one done here. I had to put in a new 9-volt connector. And just one cap in this one as well. 4.7 microfarad cap, so that's been changed out. Contacts are cleaned. New 4-pin Cobra unit end. Well, I still got to put a screw in there. But this one's also ready to go. So just 2 more. Alright, stand by. Alright, all 4 of these mics are ready to go. I got all new ends on them. Some of the scrap parts, I ended up putting 2 new connectors on. A couple of the mics starting to turn green on the inside. So yeah, I just put 2 new ones on. The other ones were actually fine. A couple of old ends, caps. The Turner caps and I already threw those out, but yeah, this is what we got so far. So why don't we get a let me get a some radio. I'm gonna pick one out of my pile here of radios, and we'll see how it sounds on that monitor radio over there. And that's about it for these. All right, stand by. All right, well, I'm gonna use my Tram D80, and got the monitor radio back there, the Galaxy DX 2527, and we're gonna start off here with this T-UG8 stand, the TUG8 stand with the D104. Alright, static. Classic mic here. Let's see how it sounds. One, two. Try to get this mic gain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, audio, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing out this Tram D80 with this D104 mic. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio, audio, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, is that one. I forget what ones have batteries and which ones don't. I think these, the 3 D104s, I think have batteries. Let's try this one. I think the Turner is the only one without a... I could be wrong. Set this one aside. One, two, three, 4. Yeah, this one doesn't have a battery. Alright. Let's try this other one first. Oh, I ran out of 9-volt batteries. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, audio, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio, audio, audio. What do you guys think so far? Let me put this other one back on. Audio, audio, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they're about the same. Yeah, they're about the same. All right, let me get these batteries swapped out into this one here, Silver Eagle, and that Turner, and we can compare these last two. All right, stand by. All right, I got the batteries swapped, and next up is this Silver Eagle. So let's see how this thing sounds. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get this mic gain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing this Tram D80. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio, audio, audio. Alright, a little tinny for me, but that's what that one sounds like. And last but not least is Turner Plus 3B. Alright, see how this thing sounds. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, audio, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. This mic sounds really good. I think this is the best sounding mic here. Yep, definitely. This Turner Plus 3B is sounding really good. Better than the other ones, I think. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice and clear, punching through. Yeah, this mic is definitely the best, I think. Alright guys, that's it. It's all the mics. I think this Turner definitely punches through and sounds a lot cleaner and clearer than the other mics, that's for sure. But I picked the Tram D80 because everyone wants to hear what it sounds like on the other end. I got several emails on this Tram D80, and it is a nice radio. But there you have it. So it's a microphone service from a what's becoming a really great customer of mine, local person. Thanks for the business, Scott. So yeah, there's that. We got this one here. We have this one here. These are all ready to go, ready to rock and roll. And that one there. I just got to get a couple more batteries. Yeah, when I do a microphone service, includes new batteries as well. Well, I put them in. It doesn't include it, but I just put them in. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this microphone shootout here. I gotta say, the next best one, I think, was this one here. And then this one. I mean, I know this thing is a, Silver Eagle, but I don't know, my opinion, it kind of lacked on the audio side. But that's just my opinion. Alright guys, thanks for watching.